Hey again, fellow writers! So this will be a tutorial on how to create an APA cover page in 7th edition. I'm using Google Docs. So with the 7th edition, students do not need to create a running head, which is very convenient. But if you or your professor would like to have one, just stay put till the very end of the video and I'll show you how to create a running head. So when you get to your document, you're going to want to double space your paper by using the line spacing button or the keyboard shortcuts Alt-Shift-O for Format tab, L for line spacing, and then press the down arrow 3 times for double spacing before pressing enter. Now, center the page. So you would want to press the center here or use the shortcut Ctrl-Shift-E and then you would press enter 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And then I created my title. The title will always be in bold, which the button is located here, or you can use the shortcut Ctrl+B. The title will always be in title case, which means the first letter of each keyword will always be written in uppercase letters. After that, you will press enter 2 times, 1, 2, to create one blank space away from the title, and this is where you'll put your name. You will include your first name, your middle initial, if you have one, and then your last name. After that, you will press enter again, and you will put the department you are a part of and what school you're affiliated with. In this case, I put the Department of Psychology and the University of Houston at Clear Lake. Again, press enter to write your course number and what the name of the class is. Press enter again to write who your professor is, and enter again to write the due date of the assignment. So, in case you need a running head, what you're going to do is you're going to go up to the header, double click on the top of the document, and the header section will pop up. You can also go to Format tab and Headers and Footers, or to the shortcuts Alt-Shift-I for Insert tab and then H for header and then press enter. So what you're going to do is write a shortened version of your title. It cannot be more than 50 characters long. In the 7th edition, you do not need to put running head. You would just need to put the title. The title will always be in all caps or capital letters, so it would be like this. And then you're going to insert your page number. In Google Docs, you'll go to Format, Tab, and Page Numbers, or the shortcut Alt-Shift-O for the Format tab and the U for page numbers. In 7th edition, your running head will always be on the same pages. So, press apply or press enter and you'll have the first page number. What you can do is insert a right tab, stop at the far right corner of the page by clicking on the ruler and selecting add right tab, stop. Then, place your blinking cursor just before the page number and press tab, and that's how you add your page number. As a side note, unfortunately we couldn't find keyboard shortcuts for placing a tab stop on Google Docs. If you do not use a tab stop, you must press tab several times and or the space bar several times to shift the page number to the right corner of the page. Click anywhere outside of the header to exit or press the escape button. Thanks for watching. Feel free to check out the information in the description box below for additional resources and links to our website and social media. See you next time!